everybody, today I am gonna sing Venkateshwara Suprabhatam and I will also tell the meanings of every stanza. Please listen. Kausalya Supraja Rama Purva Sandhya Pravartate Uttishta Narashardula Kartavyam Daivamahnikam. This is the first stanza and it means, wake up Lord, you are the auspicious child of Kausalya. The sun is rising in the east. Wake up Lord, the daily rituals have to be performed. Uttishta Uttishta Govinda Uttishta Garudadvaja Uttishta Kamala Kanta Trilokyam Mangalam Guru. This is the second stanza and it means, O Govinda, O Garudadvaja, O Kamala Kanta, please wake up and make the three worlds an auspicious place to live. Here, Govinda and Kamalakanta are the two names for Vishnu and Garudadvaja is the flag for Vishnu. Trilokyam means the three worlds and Mangalam means auspicious. Mata samasta jagatam malukaita bhare vaksho viharini manohara divya murte Shri Swamini Shri Jadana Priyadana Shile Shri Venkatesha Daite Tava Suprabhatam. This is the third stanza and it means, may be an auspicious day to thee. O Goddess Lakshmi, you dwell in Vishnu's heart and you are the mother of the three worlds. Please grant wishes to those who worship you. Tava Suprabhatam Ravinda Lochane Bhavatu Prasanna Mukha Chandra Mandale Vidhi Shankarendra Vanita Bhirarchite Rishashailanath Daite Dhayanidhe. This is the fourth stanza and it means, may it be an auspicious day to thee. O Goddess Lakshmi, you are the beloved of Lord. You have a bright face like the moon and eyes like lotus petals. And you are very compassionate. And you are worshipped by Girija and Vani. Atriyadi Sapta Rushaya Samupasya Sandhyam Akasha Sindhu Kamalani Manoharani Adaya Pada Yugam Archayitum Prapanna Sheshadrishekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam. This is the fifth stanza and it means, the seven sages like Atri and the others have said their morning prayers and have brought beautiful lotuses from river Ganga to worship your holy feet. O Lord of Sheshachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Panchananam Jabhava Shanmukha Vasavatyaham Traivikramadi Charitam Vibudhastu Vanti Bhasha Pati Patati Vasara Shuddhimarat Sheshadrishekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam. This is the sixth stanza and it means, the gods like the five-headed Brahma, Lord Subramanya and Lord Shiva are praising your deeds. O Lord of Sheshachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Ishat Prapulla Sarasiru Hanare Kela Puga Dhrumadi Sumanohara Palikanam Avati Mandamanilasa Divya Gandhai Sheshadrishekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam. This is the seventh stanza and it means, the breeze is carrying the wonderful fragrance of lotuses. O Lord of Sheshachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Unmilya Netra Yuga Puttama Panjarastaham Patra Vashishta Kadali Falapayasani Bhukva Salila Matakeli Shuka Patanti Sheshadrishekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam. This is the eighth stanza and it means, the parrots in their cages are opening their eyes and singing your praises after eating the fruits and the payasam. O Lord of Sheshachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Tantre prakasha madhurasvanaya गायत्यनन्तचरितं तव नारदोऽपि भाषा समग्रमसकृत्करचारुरम्यं शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम्. This is the ninth stanza and it means the sage Narada is playing sweet music with his veena and he is singing about the deities. O Lord of Sheshachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Bhrungavali chamakaranda rasana vidha jankara geeta niladai sevanaya niryatyupanta sarasi kamalodharebhyah sheshadrishekhara vibho tava suprabhatam. This is the 10th stanza and it means the humming swarm of bees sucking honey from the lotuses in order to serve thee. O Lord of Sheshachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Yosha ganena varadhagni vimatyamane goshalayeshu dhanimantanati vrugoshaha roshat kalim vidadate kakupashcha kumbhaha sheshadrishekhara vibho tava suprabhatam. This is the 11th stanza and it means the women are tuning the curds. The loud sounds and echoes are coming from the pots. O Lord of Sheshachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Padmesha mitra shatapatra gatali vargah hartum shriyam kuvalayasya nijanga lakshmyah beri ninadamiva biprati jivranadam sheshadrishekhara vibho tava suprabhatam. This is the 12th stanza and it means the swarm of the bees on the lotuses are friends of the sun and are making loud sounds to surpass the splendor of the lotuses. O Lord of Sheshachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Srimannabhishtavaradakhila lokabandho Shri Srinivasa Jagadeka Dayeka Sindho Shri Devata Gruha Bhujantara Divya Murte Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. This is the 13th stanza and it means, O Lord, you are the abode of Sri Lakshmi and you are the one who grants boons. O Lord of Venkatachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Shri Swami Pushkarini Kaplava Nirmalangah Shreyortino Hara Virinchi Sanandanadhyah Vare Vasanti Varanetra Hatottamangah Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. This is the 14th stanza and it means Lord Brahma, Shiva, Sanandana and several others have bathed in the Pushkarini. They are at your doorstep to see you. O Lord of Venkatachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Shri Shesha Shaila Garudachala Venkatadi Narayana Devushabhadri Vushadri Mukyam Akyam Tvadiya Vasatera Nisham Vadanti Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. This is the 15th stanza and it means, O Lord of Venkatachala, thy abode is called by several names such as Shri Sheshachala, Narayanadri, Garudachala, Vrishabhadri and Vrishadri. O Lord, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Seva Parashiva Sureshu Brushanu Dharma Raksha Munatha Pavamana Dhanadinatha Vaddanjali Pravilasannija Shirsha Desha Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. This is the 16th stanza and it means Lord Shiva, Agni, Yama, Kubera and Vayudeva are desirous of offering service to thee. O Lord of Venkatachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Dhati Shudevyah Garaja Mrugadhiraja Nagadhiraja Gajaraja Hayadhiraja Swaswad Suprabhatam. This is the 17th stanza and it means the Lord of birds Garuda, the Lord of animals Lion, Lord of serpents Adishesha, Lord of elephants Airavata are begging to serve thee on pleasure trips. O Lord of Venkatachala, made an auspicious day to thee. सूर्येन्दु भौमं बुध वाक्पति काव्य सौरि स्वर्भानु केतु दिवि चत्परिषत् प्रधानाः त्वद्दास दास च रमावधि दास दासाः श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्. This is the 18th stanza and it means the main deities of gods. The 9 planets, the sun, the moon are happy to serve thee. O Lord of Venkatachala, might be an auspicious day to thee. Patpadadhuli bharitspuritottamaङ्गाः स्वर्गापवर्गनिरपेक्ष निजान्तरङ्गाः कल्पागमाकलनया कुलतां लभन्ते श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्. This is the 19th stanza and it means, O Lord of Venkatachala, thy devotees whose heads are purified by the dust of thy feet do not deserve for heaven or liberation. O Lord of Venkatachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Padgopuragrashikarani nirikshamaanaah स्वर्गापवर्गपदवीं परमां श्रयन्तः मर्त्या मनुष्य भुवने मतिमाश्रयन्ते श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्. This is the 20th stanza and it means, on seeing the crests of thy temple tower, people feel like living in the mortal world as it gives them the chance to worship thee. O Lord of Venkatachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Shri Bhuminayaka Dayadi Gunamrutabhe Devadideva Jagadeka Sharanyamurte Shrimannananta Garudadhibirachitangre Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. O Lord of Sri Devi and Bhudevi, you are the chief of gods and the universe. Thy feet is worshipped by Ananta and Garuda. O Lord of Venkatachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Sri Padmanabha Purushottama Vasudeva Vaikuntha Madhava Janardana Chakrapani Shri Vatsa Chahana Sharanagata Parijata Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. This is the 22nd stanza and it means, O Padmanabha, Purushottama, Vasudeva, Vaikuntha Madhava, Janardana and Chakrapani, you are the bearer of the moon Srivatsa, the tree under whom refuge is sought. O Lord of Venkatachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Kandarpadarpahara Sundara Divyamurte Kanta Kuchambura Kutpalalola Draste Kalyana Nirmala Gunakara Divya Kirte Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. This is the 23rd stanza and it means, O Lord, you are the abode of pure virtue. You are the abode of divine fame. O Lord of Venkatachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Meenakrute kamattakhola Nrsimhavarnen Swamin Parashvata Tapodhana Ramachandra Shesham Sharamaya Danandana Kalki Rupa Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. This is the 24th stanza and it means, O Lord of the 10 incarnations like Matsya, Kamatakola, Narsimha, Trivikrama, Parashurama, Rama, Balarama, Krishna and Kalki, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Ela Lavanga Ghanasara Sugandhitirtam Divyam Vyaksarasi Hema Ghateshu Purnam Dhrutvaadya Vaidika Shikamanaya Prahrushtaah Tishtanti Venkatapate Tava Suprabhatam. This is the 25th stanza and it means, The Brahmins, well versed in the Vedas, are now waiting to worship your feet. They are carrying golden pots of Ganga water on their heads. O Lord of Venkatachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Bhasvanudeti vikachani saroruhani sampurayanti ninadaika kubho vihangaha Shri Vaishnava satatamadhita mangalaste dhamaashrayanti tava venkata suprabhatam. This is the 26th stanza and it means the sun is rising, the lotuses have blossomed, the birds are chirping and the Vaishnavas are waiting thy abode. O Lord of Venkatachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Brahmadaya suravara maharshayante santas sananda mukasthita yogi varyaha dhamantike tava himangala vastu hastah Venkatachalapate tava suprabhatam. This is the 27th stanza and it means Lord Brahma, the great sages such as Sanandana are waiting at thy abode with auspicious offerings on thee. O Lord of Venkatachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Lakshmi Nivasa Niravadya Gunaika Sindho Samsara Sagara Samuttaranaika Seto Vedanta Vedya Nija Vaibhava Bhakta Bhogya Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. This is the 28th stanza and it means O Lord, you are the abode of Lakshmi. You are the bridge to cross the ocean of sorrows. Your glory is known through Upanishads. O Lord of Venkatachala, may it be an auspicious day to thee. Ittam Ruchachalapateri Suprabhatam Ye Manava Pratidinam Patitum Pravruttaha Tesham Prabhata Samaye Smutiranga Bhajam Pragnam Parartha Sulabham Paramam Prasute Pragnam Parartha Sulabham Paramam Prasute. This is the last stanza and it means thus here is the Suprabhatam of Lord Venkatachala. Daily recital gives birth to superior intellect. It makes us reach the supreme goal with